Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, and today I want to talk about this funky looking shaker. This is made by ShakeSphere. I saw it in the store the other day and I said, wow, that's really unique. Most shakers look the same. You've got the silver ball inside. That eliminates the need for a ball, eliminates wastage. So if you have the protein powder and it gets stuck on the bottom of that shaker, this eliminates that because it's got a really unique shape to it. It's very cool. Comes in this blue color. Also comes in a couple of versions of, I think, like a black and maybe a gray. And I will put a link where you get more information. You can read reviews. You can order it if you'd like. Appreciate you clicking on the link if you do. And then it's got the measurements on the side. Now it's hard to read, so you got to put it on a certain angle. But it goes from 7 to 24 plus full ounce level fills, so you can get that information there. It's got a nice slider which keeps any liquids from falling out, which is good. So I really like it. And then you almost have like this carabiner hook. So very cool. I've used it once. Now what's really cool that piqued my interest about this blender is putting a banana into the shaker, shaking it for a good 10 seconds. That's what they say, good 10 seconds. And I've seen the video where it almost makes it into like a pudding-like substance. So now you can really make a smoothie that you like, eliminate the need for a blender. So first we're gonna do the banana test. I tried it once, I didn't shake it enough, so it broke it down, but not to the level that I was hoping, but still was, tasted good with my meal replacement shake. And this is the meal replacement shake that I take. I'm gonna put a link to this. This is by Chris and Heidi Powell. You've probably seen Chris more than Heidi on TV. Chris has helped a lot of people lose weight. Very cool. I've been taking the shake. It's new for them, and they have been working hard to get this out to the market. Got some peanut butter as well. And I've got about 12 ounces of water. So let's go ahead first, do the banana test. And I got to shake it hard, so you're gonna have to use a little bit of muscle here. And all right, so got that in there, and I think this is so cool. So even if it doesn't shake the banana to the level that I would like, I think it still is awesome, because this is what I've been looking for. And I showed this to someone else in my office who has smoothies and makes shakes, and they're like, this is exactly what I need. All right, so again, got the banana in there. We're gonna shake it good for 10 seconds, and then we'll see how it works. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a little bit more, 10. All right, so let's see what we got here. So I got 10 seconds. So there we go. That's for 10 seconds of hard shaking. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna even go, let's go a little bit more. See how much more it breaks it down. I'm using some good workout here. Hey, you got to work out and then you could have your protein shake. There you go. So maybe just a little bit more, but not bad, huh? I mean, I think that's pretty good. Now, I'm going to go ahead, and I have to say, I'm really impressed. Check that out. Nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour the water in. I'm going to take... Now, one of the things that I found with the shake, when I've used it with a regular shaker, it makes it very clumpy when I've had this powder. When I tasted this last time with just with this shaker, didn't feel any clumps in it. So it really did a good job. And then last but not least, we'll take a little bit of peanut butter. And I'm excited to see. I didn't do this before, so this is kind of cool. All right. Got some peanut butter in there. Now, go ahead and mix it up. And this is a good, by the way, meal replacement shake. It's got good ingredients. I know Chris and Heidi worked hard to get the right ingredients. Tastes good, and it is definitely filling. So, all right, let's go ahead and shake it. I probably don't need to do it for 10 seconds, but we'll do it for some extra time. And then I'm gonna pour it in this cup, so you can see what the end result looks like. All right, here we go. All right, a little bit more. And we'll take the, let me get a little taste. All right, but let me go ahead so you can see how well it does. Look at that. No clumps of the chocolate at all. I mean, it's awesome. I see a tiny little piece. Little piece of banana, little banana on the bottom. Peanut butter is broken up, but there. So there you go. Anyway, you got to check this blender. No more need for a blender. You got to check out this shaker. Click on the link. A lot of other reviews. I think there were a couple listings, but I'll put it on there where you can see the 3 colors. Maybe their new listing. And if you're using it, leave any comments. Let me know what your thoughts are, if this is something you would use. But I'm excited and glad I got to show you this blender. And then this is the peanut butter I use, by the way, the Jif Natural. A little healthier than some of the other peanut butters out there. All right, everybody, cheers to you. Enjoy. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.